Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to the final day, day 24 of my 2024 Spellbinders Crafty Advent series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their advent calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day from the 1st to the 24th, I'm going to have a quick and fun video to show you what's behind the new door and create a project. For day 24, the gift was a die set that when it's all put together creates a fun vintage suitcase. For my project, I decided to go with shades of gray for the suitcase itself, and for the luggage tag and the accessory stickers, I chose red and blue. I am going to show you the full process here on camera of putting all of the layers together. I did try to let the layers dry between each step before moving on. While you're watching that, I would like to ask you, if you have been enjoying this series, I really hope that you'll give today's video a thumbs up, and if you have a crafty friend who you think might like to see it too, I would appreciate you sharing it with them. I have had such a fun time this Advent season, opening each of the daily gifts and then figuring out something quick, easy, and little to create with it. For many of these Advent gifts this year, I have had other ideas of how I might like to use them, and I'm also doing the live series where I open 3 additional Crafty Advent calendars, and many of those gifts haven't even been used. So I wanted to know, would you guys like an Advent throughout the year series where I might come back once a month and use something that I didn't get to or something I want to use in another way that came out of these Advent calendars? These would probably be live streams, so we could kind of decide together what to use and maybe how to put the things together. So please let me know down in that comment section below. If you would like that series, put the hashtag Advent all year long. If you are enjoying this series, I think you're going to love my daily Advent lives. Make sure to check out the link at the top of the description box below and join me for the next live stream where I will be opening multiple crafty calendars and creating a new tag each day. While that suitcase was drying completely, I got out this Starstruck Sentiments stamp set to decorate the background a little bit. I'm going to start with that cluster of stars and some red ink, and because I don't want that full potency or full color of the red, I did stamp it off on a scrap of paper before stamping it on that white square, which was cut to 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. I'm going to put that stamped piece onto a blue mat that is a 3-inch square, and because my suitcase is now dry, I'm going to go ahead and add that to the star background so I know exactly where I can put my sentiment later. For this sentiment, I'm using the same set that the stars came in, and I chose Dream Big. I thought if you're going to be a world traveler and need this suitcase, you're probably dreaming big too. I set this up in the lower left-hand corner where there weren't any stars, and I stamped it twice in a blue ink to get a nice bold sentiment. For this series, I made a special little mini photo album, and each day's creation is going to get turned into kind of an instant photo, or what you might know as a polaroid. So once I had my square done, I got it added to the top center of my background piece, and then it's just going to get put back in the album, so at the end of the month I will be able to go back and just see what each day's little gift was. It's such a fun and cute way to remember this series. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to be notified of my next Advent video, make sure to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.